Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We've got a 1967 Ford F100. We're gonna be walking around, checking out, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll be doing a test drive. I do that with all the cars that are up here so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. That's why we do these videos. 352 under the hood. This thing is pretty. Nice valve covers, Holley carb, aluminum radiator. Clean under the hood. Literally. It looks great. And we're going to be walking around this looking for dents, scratches, rust, any kind of issues you would want to know about before purchase. Check us out, maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of this truck. Well, every car on the lot. We get new inventory every Monday, and we update that website every single Monday. So you want to see what we got first? Go to maplemotors.com, get pre-qualified for financing. You can call, go ahead and get that set up. That way, if you see something you like, you can just say, hey, I'm qualified for this amount. If you got a 650 credit score or better, you're usually in the ballpark there. Also have shipping. Pretty good shipping company. You can do enclosed trailers. That's what we recommend. And let's get started here. Coming around the front end, do have some pitting on this front bumper. Pretty much all the way across, just from age. Right here on the front, the trim's dented up. Around the headlight, some light scratches. And when I go around the vehicles, I like to do the bottom portion first, midsection and top. So we'll start down here. A couple little dimples right there behind the front bumper. Real small. Coming up over the fender. Looks like a little dent there. On the lower portion of the door, there's the bubble. That's what I was looking for. Little bubble popping up on the inside corner of this door. Coming on down. There's a light dent at the bottom of the door right here. Coming on up a little bit. Got a couple of little holes where it's kind of thin, I guess. Coming on back some more. Pretty clean on the back. Not many rock chips. Coming around the back end. I love these old bumpers. Pretty cool. Dual exhaust out the back. Got a few little chips. Hey, it's a truck. And around this side, a little bit of cracking right there on the seam. Definitely tell some work's been done right here. I can see the sand marks. Just right on that corner there. Corner of this door. Little spot. Real small. And this panel here. And up over the fender. Looks pretty good. Now the midsection of this truck. We're going to check it out. Nice and slow. It looks good. See, most of the time it's usually just the lower portion that shows lots of flaws. So close to the road, water settles down at the bottom, so you got a couple little spots there on the inside of the trim. There's another one right there, real light. Of course, the top portion of the bed is in great condition. There's a slight crease right here. When I got in the light, I could see it. Got some pitting on the door handle. Back window, nice and clean. Seal looks new. Mirrors don't look bad at all. Front windshield, the same thing. Nice and clean. And we'll be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video, so you can check that out too. Bed is beautiful on this one. Tailgate. Not really seeing any flaws on that tailgate. It looks pretty good. Midsection of this side. I do not have the door shut all the way. Let's give her a firm shut. Coming down this section. It's got a great shine to it. Right here up top, you got a couple little chips. Very small stuff. I mean, I'm just trying to be picky here. Gas cap, light scratches on the top right there. A little bit of pitting on the door handle there. Got a little ding on your mirror. Okay, we made it all the way around this truck. We're gonna open it up, check the interior out, and get her started up. After that, I'll give you some undercarriage shots, and you can see detailed pictures on our website. Really clean when I open the door here. Right on the inside where the black is, you got a couple little scratches, but for the most part, this looks awesome. Checking around the door, in the bottom. Jams. Weather stripping's hanging a little bit there. Got her back up. Carpet has been replaced in this one. Looks like we got a few extra parts over there in the passenger floorboard. The seat looks good. Headliner, bit older, hanging a little bit on the passenger side. Still looks good. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. Let's jump up in here, get her started, and try some stuff out. I'm not sure what this is at the moment. We're about to find out though. I'll leave her there. All right. Did you put the right key in the ignition? I would think. Oh, you got to jiggle the ignition, so just got to season up a little bit. I was just turning the key. Let's give her some gas. Make sure it ain't flooded. Oh, it was flooded. So this truck does have cutouts. Let's see what we got here. Air. The blower motor's blowing hard. That's what that controls. It's freezing cold. I'm gonna cut it off. This switch was the original switch for the blower. It's not hooked up anymore. It's showing 6,500 miles on the dash. Coming around this way, we do have the radio face in the office. It does work. Dash is very clean. We'll go ahead and turn the lights on, check the wipers. Wipers work. Let's try this horn out. You ready? No horn on this one. Let's jump out here. Got the lights on. We're gonna turn the turn signals on and check those out. Gotta firmly shut this door. Looks like new weather stripping. And it does have cutouts underneath. Makes it loud. Turn signals are working. Cold. Coming down with the hood. Very easy to shut. Turn signals on. Very cold. It's not smoking. Say it's 25, 30 degrees today. Let's go ahead and flip that other turn signal. I think this was the cutout. Well, no, that's off on switch. The flasher lever over there. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look around and check the rest of this vehicle out. Go on over to maplemotors.com, look at our detailed pictures, and check out the test drive, which will be happening soon. That way you can get a lit undercarriage shot. All right, let's look under it. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button for daily content. maplemotors.com has shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And we update that website every Monday with new cars. Okay, guys, be looking for that test drive. You can locate it the last 30 seconds of this video. Or for any car on the lot, you can look them up by the year, the model, Maple Motors, and or the stock number. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.